Hey YouTube, this is Mr. Dat Guy 93. I just got this package in the mail from Amazon.com. I'm pretty sure they're Apple earphones, so yeah, some unboxing. Got paper, which is, yep, Apple iPod earphones. Got it for $12.99. I don't know if you can see that. Looks kind of blurry on here. Yeah, but I didn't really pay $12.99 because I got Amazon gift cards from swagbucks.com. Leave a link to that over here. And here's an envelope thing. Apple in-ear headphones, white. So in here we got earphones, just like this. Apple earphones, yep. And that's pretty much it. Basically got this for free because I got Swagbucks Amazon gift cards. And that's all. Comment, rate, and subscribe.